Elements, hi people. Sorry for this, I'm sound a little bit snotty. Klink 'n bietjie snotterig. I must wash it. Because I must start somewhere washing this thing. All the mud of it off. Al die modder van dit af was. Maar I want to ask the German people what they do with this. The houses in the winter. Wat hulle doen met hulle pype, hulle slange, tuinslange in die winter. Want deze Gardena pyp kliphard. Heel harde pyp nou in die winter. It's stiff and it's hard and I can't get it straight. And this is in the winter. It's about temperature wise could be 15 at this moment degrees Celsius. Dit kan 10 grade Celsius wees. Daar rond. Zijn 15 grade zijn. Goed. Let's get the hose pipe up here onto the battery storage. And the batteries are now busy charging. That one is gone, it's finished. Goed. So daarin is ook klaar en dan daarin. So 3 batteries on charge. One on charge at the moment, the other 2 are already fully charged. Goed, kom eens kijken. That was another test for the dual test charger to see whether it will keep on charging the flat battery and stop charging the full battery. Good. I also have to purchase, ek moet ook nog 'n ander pyp koop. Deze pyp het nie eens 'n jaar oud nie. This pipe isn't a year, not even a year old. Take, look at this. It's already stuff. Die pyp is al reeds styf. En dit nog nie 'n jaar oud nie. Okay. So nou gaan ek weer terug daarna. Daardie ding toe. I turned the well pump on. Ek het die boorgat pomp aangeskakel. So daar's 'n lang verhaal oor deze boorgat. There's also a long story about the well, the water well. To move it from one to the other. That was quite a story. In a record time, of course, to get the tank full again. Om 'n tank weer vol te kry was 'n storie. So 'n tank is daarso. That tank, something like that, to keep full with the well, by the well water. Okay, alright. This bucket is almost full. Die emmer is bijna vol. Dus ik ga daar toe draaien zo. Right. Closed. Nou, dit is heel koud. It's cold the water. Nou gaan daar. So I have to swap it to this MacGyver. Many people ask me, what is this? What are you doing with this? I don't know anything about YouTube videos and stuff like that. Weet niks van YouTube videos. Goed, I'll take this thing out of here and put it in there. So this is kind of dark. It's a bietjie donker. Ons kyk maar. Ek weet nie of jy kan sien daar onder wat ek wil spuit nou nie. See what I want to clean now of. Okay. Closer to the engine. Okay, that's enough underneath. Ek dink is genoeg onder. I think I'm going to use rainwater for that. Gaan reënwater hier opspuite. Nee, borrow well water. Okay, I can clean there with the well water. Put it down here by the engine crane. Die kraan wat ek engines mee uitlig. En squat daar 'n bietjie. Miskien 'n bietjie nader gaan sien wat gaat aan hier. What's going on here? In there. Closer. There, it's a lot of mud in there. Daar's baie modder daar binne. So now I washed it with squirted it with well water, met die boorgatwater gespuit. Nou klaar met dit. Nou moet ek reënwater gebruik to get all the minerals off it. Look at this leakage that happened here. Kyk hoe die lekkage daar. There's a lush. Heel veel water, kyk daar. A lot of water. But leaking out of here. Wat hier uitgelek. Uit die pyp. Kyk, baie water is uitgelek hier. Ja. Baie water wat hier uitgelek het. Ja, okay. With a flood, nou met die vloed, met 'n flood, die water het hier in die gutter afgegaan, in die geet afgegaan. It went down the gutter, and down this downpipe, met die pyp afgekom, en onder die grond, daar na die tanks toe, to the tanks, yeah, and they overflowed, and the water went down there, all along there, so I could have filled up another 10 of them, or even more, for the water that went down there, overflowing there, from them, going down there, and the gutters also overflowed there. Couldn't take all the water, kon nie al die water vat met die tweede pyp daar so, kon nie ook nie al die water vat nie, opneem nie. So let's go on with the rainwater from the tanks, or one of the tanks anyway. Een van die tanke se water, en dan spuit ek die motor skoon en so aan, en soutwater af, mineral water af, soutwater, wat ook al, kind of brackets, what minerals in the rainwater must be, drill old water, well water. Goed, kom eens kyk gou hier, gou die spuit hier. Just squirt it like that. I must suck the oil off this thing. Very expensive to bugger it up without running oil, without oil. So get die olie check op daar dan. En dan is oor 10,000 rand, 18,000 rand. So 18,000 bucks rand for this alone. So ek moet dit op kyk daar so, die olie, keep the oil full of the vacuum pump. Some people put grease in it. It's not a good idea, because the grease goes outside and it doesn't go in the bushes. So die grease gaan aan die buitekant, die grease gaan aan die buitekant, dit gaan nie aan die busse nie, dan gaan die ding stukkend. And that's a lot of money, as I said. It's 18,000 rand, it's a lot of money. So I better check the oil. Engine oil, fill it up with engine oil. Nou dan gooi motorolie daar in. 14W50. Now, right. I can go there. Just be careful for the brake fluid reservoir there. Mustn't get water in there. Okay. So this one has a modified radiator system. 205 HDI radiator in there. 205 HDI radiator hier. En deze auto. Okay, close the bonnet. Maak die motorkap toe. Motorkap is toe. Engine, motor bonnet, engine bonnet, whatever. Hood. Engine hood. Just to get the whole, get the brackish water off it. Bucket. Pipe. Like so. You see there what's going on there? Yeah. Sort of. Right. Now going to the back. Go vinnig agter. Snel naar die agterkant toe. Snel in Nederlands en vinnig in Afrikaans. Right. Goed. Good. Now on this side, the last kant. It's very windy now. This wind was sterk. It's going to rain tomorrow, they reckon. They reckon it gaan weer reën. Zoomed out. That's the furthest I can zoom out. Okay. Icon. That's enough. Now I must take it for a drive. To get it dry. Om af te droog met 'n eentjie gaan ry. Now I just have to rinse off the pipe. En dan moet ek net die pyp afspoel. Full of sand, as you can see. Full of sand. Look at that. Grondgewat. Met deze pipe. So quite a lot of struggling over this pipe. So, and now look at all the sand. You can see the sand on the pipe. Look at the sand. All over. It's sand. Look at that. That is clean. Oh, God. Put it in the basin. There's my basin. Get it in my basin. Now I must clean the bucket. The bottom side of the bucket I must also clean this. It was an oil bucket. Dit was 'n oliebak immer deze geweest. 20W540 olie. 'n BP oil. And I turned back to the car. Then on my ramp. Homemade ramp, a piece of wood, as you can see there. You can see daarso, dis hout. Kyk daarso onder, kyk. Wooden blocks and wood purlines. So hout balke en blokke. Dis my ramp. Dan gaan ek nou die emmer hier binne sit in die shed. Daar. En ek kom nou weer uit. So dit is oor 'n halfuur se werk deze. So dis 'n meer as 'n uur dan as hy hier. Maar dit is 'n halfuur video of iets van die aard. En ek was besig met 'n experiment. Ek was busy with an experiment. Now, if you see the battery state of charge, it's still too high. So the number 3 light, this one here, must be dim. That's in the state I leave them. Ek hou albei my akkus, my batterye op 2 en 'n bietjie liggies. Kom ons kyk na van die ander. Let's have a look at one of the others, or 2 of the others. Kom ons kyk gou net hier. Dis en hier. Also te voel. Ek het hulle nou opgeladen. Ek het hulle nou just charged them up. Okay, that one's too low. It's only 2 lights on. So I can put this one on charge for a little while. Then a slow charger. Kyk, deze en oh, golly, that's also too full. They're all too full. Let's see the drill. Oh, the drill is flat. Okay, the drill must also come on for some time. Put the drill back on the hook. Air compressor. Oh, it's too full. Also too full. The impactor is also too full. Now, all my batteries are too full. The thing is difficult to stop them, to monitor them to see when I'm stop, because I'm busy here and I don't have time to look at batteries all the time. And they say you never leave them in a full state of charge. So, goed. Dan moet ek eentjie gaan ry. Now I wanted to get into the car, but look at all the water here. Nou hier's heel veel water hierso en ek moet in die kar kom. Okay, that's now going to be a challenge. Nou 'n kans om hier in te kom. Right. Jammer vir dit. Sorry for that. Houtkloof again, it came down. So the water went down here and it stopped there. And now there's nothing today. Okay, let's go and have a look on the other side. What's going on here? So now it's still flowing into the culvert. Very interesting. Dit is baie interessant. Hy vlieg nog in die culvert in Houtkloof. Vlieg in die culvert hierso. The waterfalls up there, they're still flowing strong. Up daar's 'n bo. Daar. Kom maar nou. Vlieg nog sterk daarso af. Sien julle daar? En dan nog 'n ene hier. Hulle vloei nog sterk. Okay, nou terug na Houtkloof. Is vloei sterk onder die culvert in. Maar ongelukkig aan die ander kant van die weg, aan die ander kant van die pad, on the other side of the road, unfortunately, there's nothing coming out. So there is peering somewhere in there. I think I must walk down here. Hopefully there won't be a fence. There is a fence. Okay. Then I better go in from that side direction. So now I'm down from up there by the culvert, and just get rid of this piece of junk. Alright, stinky oil plant, right, bush, wat ek onkruid. Okay, let's see. Now the water is flowing here. Vloei nog steeds hier. Goed. In the culvert. It's going flowing out of the culvert. Here. Flowing uit die culvert. Where I can't see. Waar ek nie kan sien. So there it disappears into the ground. into the stones. Yeah. Into the rocks, klippe hier, rotse, wat ook al, julle wil dit noem. Daar verdwyn het. Gister het dit daar onder verdwyn. So as the water getting less, soos die water minder word, hoe minder kan hy afgaan tot onder. Dus het gaan hier in die grond verdwyn. In die grond. Right. Then it disappears into the ground. Just so by tonight, it will be right up to here. Or even on the other side. So next day after, maybe there's nothing we can see. So it's quite less than yesterday, but at least the water was flowing for more than a week. Het meer as 'n week dat dit vloei hier kloof. Weer op na die weg gaan, hier op, over the fence, ja. Oor die draad en een klink hier zo. Weer op. So, let's go over the road. To the clean car. Na die skoon auto toe nou. Skoon karretjie. Right. Land full of water, now empty. The land full of water is now leeg. There's nogal 'n long auto. It's a long, quite a long car. That's why there's enough space. Kyk, het heel veel space hier. And it has a lot of leg room here. Het heel veel beenruimte daar. En heel veel space daar. En heel veel beenruimte hier, zo ook daarvoor. So it's a spacious vehicle, this. And more modern cars with 10 times the price has less space in them than this car. Okay, let's go under the walking. Veel auto's het minder spasie dan deze, al is hulle 10 keer die prys. So, they fitted with electronics to draw the people, and I'm not interested in any electronic stuff. I just want the car to go anywhere, or most places. Ek kan enige plek ry waar ek wil, and that is it. Goed, en nou is Kobai van deze video. So, net soos wat. Goed. Bye bye. Tot ziens. Thank you for viewing this video and subscribing for subscription. Inskrywing of wat ook al, subscripsie. Ja. En ja, bly veilig. Stay safe. Tot de volgende weer. Until the next video. Bye bye. So now I'm going to suffer to get this one loaded too. Maybe the whole day as the other one. Yesterday it took the whole day to load up. And this one is going to do the same. Hierdie ene gaan dieselfde doen. Goed. Now there's some problem inside. I must, one of the clips, I must take the last piece off because there's some problem went on there.